So for additive and multiplicative relationships, we want to look at the two sets of numbers and just kind of figure out what kind of relationship they have. So let's do a little example. If I have two trees, I have tree 1, you like my artistic skills, and I have tree 2. We'll just make it a different kind of tree so it looks like two different trees. And if tree 2 is 2 feet tall, tree 1 is 4 feet tall, and then we would usually see it as a table, right? So we would kind of be looking at the information they gave us. If tree 2 is 3 feet tall, tree 1 is 5 feet tall. If this one is 5 feet tall, this one is 7 feet tall. If this one is 20 feet tall, could you even predict what that would be? Do you start to see a pattern here? It's all about recognizing patterns. So this one is always 2 feet taller. 4 is 2 feet taller than 2. 5 is 2 feet taller than 3. 2 feet taller than 5. So what would this one have to be? 22, because it's 2 feet taller than this one. So if they're always the same difference, if we can subtract them, every single one, and we get 2, that means this is an additive relationship, because we're always adding 2 to one tree to get the other, or subtracting 2 from the top one to get the bottom one. So there's an additive relationship here because the distance between them is always the same. So now let me give you an example, another example. If I said, I spent for one math problem, here's my math book, for every math problem, one time, it takes me 3 minutes. Here's my clock. 3 minutes to do one math problem. And if I do 2 math problems, that takes me 6 minutes. If I do 5 math problems, that takes me 15 minutes. And if I went all the way up and did 10 math problems, it would take me 30 minutes. So what's the relationship here? 3 minus 1, there's a difference of 2. But all of a sudden here, there's a difference of 4, and it goes up to 10 and even 20. So they don't have the same difference. We're not adding. What are we doing? We're multiplying. 1 times something is 3. You know the something? 2 times something is 6. 5 times something is 15, and so on. So it's all about how do you get from one to the other. If it's by adding, your relationship is additive. If it's by multiplying, your relationship is multiplicative.